Hey everybody, this is Brian at AME Farm. So this is going to be a little short reel. Sometimes the joys of living out in the country is being able to hear the wildlife. And right now across the road from us, there's about 5 gobblers gobbling. They're probably still in the roost. My turkey hasn't started gobbling yet, but I want to see if I can get them to gobble. So let's see. Again, see if y'all can hear them. It's kind of hard to do it while holding this. So let's see if I can sit this. They're going to be coming in that direction is where they should be gobbling from. Let's see. I don't know if y'all be able to hear them or not. There's about 5 on the other side of that road that just gobbled a while ago. Been hearing them for the past 10-15 minutes. I thought, well, let's do a video. Gotta let this car go past. Jerry hasn't gobbled yet. He's probably still sleeping. He's a late bloomer. Oh, there they are. I don't know if you heard, but they were the one that just gobbled. Let's see. Well, it's a little loud with these vehicles going up and down the road, so. But I did have one gobble. I don't know if you'd be able to hear it. But Jerry didn't gobble. But do a little update real quick so y'all can see the chicks. They're out with their mama right now. Let's see. As promised, there's the mama with the chicks. There's the other 2 right there. She's got them up moving around early this morning. So, she's a good mama. They're almost 3 weeks old. There's Ducky. He says, hey everybody. So, if you like what you see, like the stuff we've been posting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give you the bell, and give us a thumbs up, please. It'd be much appreciated. I know I look weird without a hat and without my glasses. So hope everybody has a great day. And another one just gobbled. So the turkeys are waking up. I'm waking up. Hope everybody has a great day.